All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, we built a whole bunch of choppers. You gotta have some way to, weld them together. So I was looking around on Facebook Marketplace. I've been using, you can't really see it over there, but I have a little TIG machine right next to that Miller. And I found another Miller on Facebook Marketplace. So this is a older, so it's a Synchrowave 180 SD TIG stick. And it does do AC, and it's got a foot control, which is better than what I had. It also came with a cart and everything else. I did not realize in the ad, so initially I thought I was just getting the welder itself. When I got there, he hooked me up with so much stuff. So like this box itself has, I don't even know how much TIG equipment and everything inside of it. I still haven't gone through all of it. I know I've got extra TIG torches, bendy flex torches, all that sort of stuff. The argon bottle to go with it, another acetylene bottle. This whole setup for oxyacetylene, which is all old Victor stuff. So this stuff is amazing. Plus a bunch of extra bottles. So initially when I was going, I thought I was just gonna get the welder, but he hooked me up. So now we gotta figure out if this thing works. I did not test it there. Currently it's got, somebody has hooked it up with this style connector plug on it for some reason, don't know why. So we're gonna take that off. I bought a new regular, just 50 amp 3-prong. We'll put that on here and we're gonna fire this thing up. So let's see if what I bought works. As we swapped out the cord, so let's turn this thing on and see if she lights up. Quick beat on this and see how it does. I don't really use foot pedals, so this is all a learning process for me. Guys, so we'll wrap it off for this one. So works pretty well. Still learning the AC function, but it does strike an arc, holds an arc pretty well. So pleased with this purchase, most definitely, and we'll start putting it to use.